Cook up with me. Cook up, cook up, cook up. Got the chicken. It rests off of a liver. That's hold on, I'll show you. You need the cayenne pepper. And then, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Tony's seasoning. You need this. Because I like spicy stuff, I want the more spice. More spice. So that's what's on here. I do gotta show y'all something. It's funny. So the other day, I'm looking at the seasonings like 10,000 times, right? I pick up cinnamon like twice. I look at it, I grabbed it, or so I thought. And I get back after I already done paid for it. I get back to the house and I see what I got because I thought it was ground cinnamon. It's ground cumin. Like, I don't know what cumin is good for because I be getting herbs and stuff that's good for you and spices, but I've been using it. Oh well, I don't know. That's alright. Kind of tastes like meat. Tastes like Taco Bell. Kind of. But we're making fajitas. This is just the chicken. I have to throw the egg in. That's probably all I'm gonna do with them. Should I do one more egg? You know what? I'm gonna do one more egg as well. Let that cook up. I got brand new pans and everything I didn't even have to use. So, to be honest, I got too much dishes. Kane's got too many toys. Like, I almost need a third bedroom for his toys. It's insane. Getting all the egg whites and yolks cooked up. It's like I gotta be careful because I don't wanna. I got spatulas, but I don't.